Alright guys, this is a 2020 Tahoe, and this is an example of some of the things you run into in an automotive shop where customers try to blame you for things. We did an oil change on this about 4 or 5 days ago, and the customer's saying they're hearing a knocking sound, and so they think that we didn't put oil in their car or something like that. But I'm going to show you what it is. We'll start it up right now. And I can hear the noise already, and I think I already know what it is. You might hear it. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but hopefully you can hear that. But the problem, see that water pump pulley? It's the water pump making the noise. The car's got plenty of oil in it. This one just needs a water pump. It's got about 100,000 miles on it. These are bad about thermostats. So